Good morning, kindergarten. I am so excited to tell you about our lesson today that we're going to be doing. We are going to continue to work with addition and writing number sentences and looking at pictures to help describe our number sentences. So to start our lesson on addition today, we are going to read a book called Albert Adds Up. Albert Adds Up is about a little boy named Albert who wants to read a book that was recently brought home. And he is willing to trade as many toys as he needs to get this book to be able to read it. He continues to ask for the book, and his toys just keep piling up and up and up until he gets that book to read. So after reading our book, we're going to do an awesome activity. We are turning our classroom into a jungle. How cool is that? And I need all of your help to turn our classroom into a jungle. So to do our activity today, you will be given a brown piece of construction paper, a green piece of construction paper, a pair of scissors, glue, markers, and some colored cotton balls. So after you have been given all of your supplies, we are going to start making our trees to hang up in our jungle. So I have tracers for the green part of the tree and tracers for the brown part of the tree, just in case you don't want to draw it by hand. So after we have cut out our trees and glued them together, you're going to want to write your name down here at the bottom so we know whose trees are whose when we start to hang them up around the classroom. And then we are going to pick a number sentence. I have a bunch of number sentences written and cut up and put in a basket for all of us to choose one. So the example that I'm going to do for you guys is 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay? So on my tree, I'm going to put my cotton balls to match my number sentence. So I have 2 orange cotton balls and I have 3 yellow cotton balls. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on my paper so I can glue all of my cotton balls down, okay? We don't need a lot of glue, remember? A little bit of glue goes a long way. So once we have all of our cotton balls stuck to our paper, our tree has leaves. And you can see how I separated them. So all my orange cotton balls are over here and all my yellow cotton balls are over here. Once we are done gluing, we are going to practice writing our letter words for our numbers. And I will have these examples hung up around the room so you can see and we can continue to work on writing our letter word or our number words. So I have 3 yellow cotton balls, so I'm going to write the number 3 down below my yellow cotton balls. And I have 2 orange cotton balls, so I'm going to write the number 2 down at the bottom. So this is what your tree will look like. And then at the very top, we're going to write the number sentence that was given to you on your piece of paper. So I'm going to write 3 plus 2 equals 5. And your final tree will look like this. And then after we're completely done, you'll have the opportunity to color and decorate your tree how you want to decorate it. So since we have 3 plus 2, we have 5. So our 3 represents our yellow cotton balls, our 2 represents our orange cotton balls, and the 5 represents how many cotton balls we have in total. So after we are done doing that, we will each display our trees by hanging them up around the room, and each student will stand by their tree and you will read your number sentence to the class and show how good you are at addition. So some side notes, some of the standards that will be covered in this lesson are applying one-to-one correspondence to count number of objects. We'll be counting cotton balls. Extending concepts of putting together and taking apart to add and subtract within 10. All of the number sentences that are written on these slips of paper are within the number 10. And knowing number names and to recite the count sequence. So with practicing writing the number words on their trees, that's where that standard will be applied.